How's it going, everybody? If you are a business owner, CFO, executive, or somebody within a business that handles the commercial insurance program, or maybe you are somebody that is looking into potentially starting a business and looking into your commercial insurance options, then this video is for you. When it comes to business insurance in Michigan, one of the most common questions that will come up is, who should I call? Who's actually the right person to help me in my business? And the truth is, in the marketplace, there are a lot of options to choose from. So today in this video, I want to go over some simple aspects that you might be able to consider and think about as you are going through this process to help figure out what might be the best fit for your business. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like, share, pass it along with anyone else as well. So first, there are really three ways that you can go about buying business insurance. First would be through a captive insurance agent or company. Companies like State Farm, Allstate, or maybe a company like Federated that is what is called a direct underwriter. They can typically only offer one insurance company option, which isn't necessarily a bad thing and can be a great fit, honestly, for a lot of people out there, but it just isn't always ideal when it does come to business insurance. And then second would be your direct-to-consumer companies. These would be your online quick quote type of options that you might run into when you first start your search. And these might be fine for something like a basic renter's insurance policy for somebody. But when it comes to business insurance, because there are so many nuances, when you go through these direct-to-consumer companies, you are essentially acting as your own agent. So any mistakes that you make within the platform with maybe selecting coverage options or maybe even just your business class code, these all fall back on you. And especially when you could be dealing with multiple policies such as general liability, workers' comp. Maybe you also need commercial property coverage or a commercial auto policy. This is where it can help to maybe work with somebody who, again, is a specialist in business insurance to help guide you through these options. And now the third path, this is where I sit, which is what is called an independent insurance agent. Independent agents work with multiple regional and national insurance companies. So this gives you, the insurance buyer, more options in the marketplace. And this can oftentimes lead to better pricing options. And you can also typically look into different coverage packages that each insurance company offers. There is typically overall a better chance of finding the right fit for your business working with an independent agent. And now when you do get into the independent agent world, it is important to know that not every agent is a good fit for every business. There are some agents out there that try to be everything to everyone, but that rarely works out. And there are certain industries that simply just require specialists. Businesses like long haul trucking or something maybe in healthcare. There are definitely situations where working with a niche focused agent can make a big difference. And then there are certain types of businesses that I consider what are called bread and butter type businesses. Industries like manufacturing, contractors, construction, commercial real estate, certain retail and distribution businesses, and other service-based operations. A lot of times there will be multiple insurance company options out there that can be quite competitive for these types of businesses. So when you do work with an independent agent that has good market access here in Michigan to, again, both regional and national insurance companies, this can often lead to more competitive pricing and just a better coverage package for your business. A lot of times insurance companies will have specialty type packages or programs for each of these types of industries. So now how do you go about finding the right agent, the right person to work with for this? Personally, I would start with by asking somebody that you trust. Go within your network, ask a friend, ask a colleague, a family member. This can still be the best way to find a good agent that you might be comfortable working with. And then at the same time, look to your business network. See who your banker, attorney, accountant, or financial advisor might recommend that you work with. Oftentimes they will most likely partner with somebody or at least have somebody that you can call that they themselves have vetted at least at some point in their career. And then once you do narrow it down, definitely maybe talk to a couple agents. Ask them some basic questions around what their clients look like, what industries they might focus on, which insurance companies they work with, what their service and support might look like after you get a policy in place with them. This can help you get a sense very quickly of who might be a good fit. Now, for me personally, again, I do work with a wide range of businesses here in Michigan, and a lot of those types of businesses in those core industries that I mentioned, manufacturing, construction, retail, real estate, and distribution. And I am fortunate to have good market access to a lot of the strong regional and national insurance companies that are very competitive in these industries. But overall, with all of this, whether you decide to work with me or another agent, the key is simple. Make sure that you do find somebody that works within your industry, and then at the same time, somebody that you genuinely feel comfortable working with over a long period of time. Insurance is something that you definitely don't want to switch around a ton and run through a bunch of different agents. You want to build a relationship long-term with this person. So thank you for watching. And if you are somebody that is maybe looking into different commercial insurance options, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever's easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to either reach out directly or leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.